In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem codes in Cookie Run Kingdom. This process is straightforward, but I'll walk you through it step by step to ensure everything goes smoothly. First, you'll need to go to the official coupon page. You can do this by navigating to devplay.com/coupon/ck/en. It's a good idea to bookmark this page for future use. This website is where you'll redeem your codes, and it's the only official place for this process. Make sure you're on the correct page to avoid any issues. Once you're on the coupon page, the next step is to enter your player ID or DevPlay email. You can find your player ID in your game settings, so take a moment to locate it. Alternatively, you can use your DevPlay email if you're more comfortable with that. This step is crucial because it identifies where your hard-earned rewards will be sent. It's essential to ensure there are no typos, as any mistake here can lead to the rewards not being delivered to your account. With that ready, the next thing to do is enter the coupon code. Make sure you enter it exactly as provided, paying attention to any uppercase or lowercase letters. Codes are case sensitive, so accuracy is key here. This is important because each code is unique and must be entered correctly to be redeemed successfully. Once you've double-checked the code, you're ready to move on. Now tap the Claim Reward button. This action sends the request to redeem the code. After tapping, you should see a confirmation message indicating that the code has been successfully redeemed. This makes sure your changes are saved and your code has been processed. A few important notes before we wrap up. Coupon codes do expire, so it's best to redeem them as soon as you get them. This is important because you don't want to miss out on any valuable rewards. Also, remember that each code can usually be used only once per account. This ensures fairness and gives everyone an equal chance to enjoy the benefits. If you find that the rewards do not appear in your game, don't worry, just restart the game and check your mailbox again. Sometimes it takes a moment for the rewards to process and show up in your account. This step can often resolve any discrepancies and assure you that everything is in order. And there you have it, you now know how to redeem codes in Cookie Run Kingdom. Remember to keep an eye out for new codes and redeem them quickly. This little step saves you a lot of time later by ensuring you never miss a reward. Thanks for watching and happy gaming.